Hi, this is Laia. Today we are going to crochet this very simple scarf together. I use Chenille Yarn and 6mm hook, which you can buy in your local store. This is a scarf absolutely beginner level. I will show you how to make it step by step. If you are interested in the bear and the sunflower on the scarf, I will put the tutorial links of these two decorations in the description box. First, we make a slip knot. Then yarn over, pull through. This is a chain stitch. Keep crocheting chain stitch in the row 1 until the scarf length meets your expectation. I will not provide a specific number of the chain stitch because the yarn and hook we use may be different. You can give yourself a measurement to determine how many chain stitches you need to have. No matter how many chain stitches you have, add 2 more chain stitches at the end. Then we work on half double crochet in the row 2. Yarn over, go into the third loop from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull out all the 3 loops. This is a half double crochet. Yarn over, go into the next loop. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull out all the 3 loops. Go all the way along in the row 2. At the end of row 2, 1 chain stitch to start row 3. In the row 3, we work on single crochet. Go into the second loop from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull out these 2 loops. This is a single crochet. Work single crochet all the way along in row 3. In the row 4, we are going to make a hole. Here I just introduced a method of making this. You can place the hole wherever you want. For example, I like my hole in front of the scarf a little bit, so I first have a few single crochet. Then I decided to put the hole in this place. Now I have a slip stitch. Go into the next loop. Yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops on your hook. Pull the first loop through the second loop. It's a slip stitch. Then work on 7 or 8 chain stitches. Measure the length. Join the chain stitch with a slip stitch. Congratulations, you successfully make a hole. For the rest of row 4, single crochet all the way along. In the row 5, I would like to have half double crochet, like we do in the row 2. Cut the yarn and hide the tail with your hook. This is my final scarf width. It's perfect for my nephew. If you like your scarf button wider, like this one, you can see the black one is wider than the light brown one because I add another row with single crochet in the black one. Just add the rows until the width meets your satisfaction. Okay, this is my tutorial video today. Hope you like it and crochet your scarf immediately. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time.